All right, guys. So I'm back with another trade on GBP USD. Was technically a win, but like barely. I'm 2 pips in profit. Um, just because I can't, for some reason, I cannot hold my positions. Every little retrace, I just exit. Um, and as you can see, it like this was an easy, not an easy, but pretty good 3.05 RR trade that I could have had today. And just because I was too scared of this little movement upwards during the trade, I missed out on a bunch of profit today. And that's kind of why I wanted to upload this as well, just to like show myself, bro, if you just hold your trades, you stick to your plan, you will win. You will make so much more money. um, you're gonna lose sometimes, and that's just part of it. Like, you have a stop loss for a reason, right? This stop loss is the amount of risk that you are accepting. And if you lose, you lose, man. But if you win, look at the money that you're giving up because you're scared. You know what I mean? And if you're scared, then trading's not for you. I'm talking to myself and I'm talking to whoever is watching, bro. If you're scared to lose this amount of money, trading's just not for you, bro, if you can't hold it. And I'm trying to teach myself that, right? So I got in on the trade here. I'll break down top down, but basically what happened, I got in here. And the crazy part is, like, I held through all of this upward movement I held through. And then when it came down here and I saw this movement upwards, I moved my stop loss to break even, came back down here, and then I moved my stop loss to this swing high right here. And then because of slippage on either this candle or this candle, I'm not sure, the highs took me out. Um, and even if I had my stop loss still at break even, I would have still been in the trade. But there was no need for it, right? Like, we got a little break of structure on the 1 minute, but if you look at the 5 minute chart, it's literally just straight downward movement. Like, this was a free trade today, man. And I just missed out because I'm just not disciplined. My mentality is just weak right now. I'm not sure. But anyways, let's break it down, top down. So on the day, uh, we actually start off bullish for the day. Um, we were trading up in this area above or hovering around previous day highs. So I was waiting for um, either London session highs, or let me get rid of this fib. I was waiting for either London Asian session highs or London session highs to be taken out, and then some movement down for some shorts. But we actually just got that. There's also these hourly highs stacked up right on, like, pretty much where the London highs were as well. So I was really just waiting for these highs to get swept and then some movement. But we actually got it earlier than that. So once we came to, if this will load. Okay, so yeah, we basically, let me bring up the indicators on 15-minute here. So London session takes out Asian highs, come, and then just big distribution to the downside. We come out, take out these 15-minute lows here. I think there's some, I don't even think these were hourly lows here. But yeah, not even, okay, yeah, actually these hourly lows get taken out. This hourly low right here gets taken out, and then we get some nice bullish movement to the upside. So I was hoping we would come up and take out um, these London highs and these hourly highs here as well. But we the market only wanted to retrace back to previous day highs, which is this orange line here. And then that caused the bearish movement down. So once I saw that sweep on the 5 minute. There's also an hourly bearish fair value gap here, which we respected. So once I saw that we were respecting this gap, um, it kind of gave me enough confirmation that we weren't going to go for these highs up here, and we were just going to like sweep out all these stacked up 5 minute highs, 15-minute highs, and then retrace off of the hourly bearish gap. And then I actually entered not off the 5 minute, but off of the 1 minute. So we had these two 1 minute fair value gaps here forming. So after the liquidity sweep, fair value gap forms, basically just waiting for a retracement into the fair value gap. Usually I go off of the second one, so that my entry is here. If we invalidate it, because this, to me, this is a fake invalidation. If there's two stacked up like this, sometimes it'll go to the first one, the top one, and then come back down. I mean, not always. Sometimes it'll just stop here and then retrace. So I was just waiting to see if this were to get invalidated, then I would have expected us to go up to these London highs and hourly highs up here. But yeah, once we came back down and traded past this fair value gap, I entered short. So pretty much off of the bottom wick of this candle, took all this heat. This is the most frustrating part. I took all this heat here, bro. I was in red for like 20 minutes. I was in red for drawdown for 20 minutes, bro. And then we finally get that clean breakdown. And then because I see some profit, I'm like, oh, I need to secure it. Move my stop loss to break even. Pretty much after this candle comes down here, and then I see, oh shit, we're breaking structure to the upside on the 1 minute. Mind you, we're breaking structure on 1 minute, bro. And I'm getting scared. So I move my stop loss to break even. And then I'm like, oh no, I want to secure a little bit of profit. So let me move my stop loss to this swing high. And I guess like if my trading view chart and my broker were absolutely 100% aligned, I wouldn't have got stopped out. But what is this, like 3 pips? Or sorry, how much is this? From here to here, 0.3 pips, point like 0.4 pips basically. Like that's an acceptable amount of slippage, no matter your broker, right? But yeah, I got stopped out because I moved my stop loss to this swing high here. And this is just normal market structure, bro. It's not even like we're reversing. Okay, maybe we took out these 1 minute lows. We came into this 1 minute fair value gap. And okay, we wanted a little retrace, but after liquidity trumps everything. Liquidity trumps everything. We have a sweep of highs. We get a retrace off of this 1 hour bearish gap. Fail to invalidate it like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Clean bearish momentum. There's no reason for me to be closing my position early here, and I just did and lost out on a lot of money today. But yeah, basically I set my TP to these are 15-minute lows here. This is my TP1. Yeah, 15-minute low here. And then this is actually an hourly gap here. This is the bottom of an hourly bullish gap. If I go back to the hourly chart right here. So that was my TP3, and it actually even went beyond that. So it's like there's just so much money to be made, bro, if you stick to the rules. And that's really why I wanted to upload this, just to show myself, like, you have to be willing, if you want to be a trader, you have to be willing to lose money, bro. You have to be able to accept that you're going to be wrong sometimes. And it's weird because like I will hold trades until they hit full stop loss, but for some reason I'm scared to hold them to full TP. Yeah, it's literally just the only thing holding me back is my mentality, because I feel like I understand market structure, I understand liquidity, I have pretty good understanding of fair value gaps and these ICT SMT concepts. it's literally just my mentality. Maybe it's because I don't have that much time in the market, but I mean, I've been trading for months and months now, so I don't know, man. Yeah, I'm just waffling at this point, but kind of just disappointed with myself. I mean, at the end of the day, I still didn't lose any money today, but I lost the opportunity to make a lot more money. And that's what's keeping me at break even for so long is like this should have been a really good month for me, and this is not the first time that I've just closed early for just being scared, bro. Like I should be up realistically, like I mean everything is 2020 in hindsight, but this is the second time that I can think of where like I missed out on a big trade. Like I could be up 8% this month. Instead I'm pretty much at break even. Um, yeah. Anyways, that's the trade recap for today. Let me know what you guys are doing. I'm also thinking of switching to futures, bro, because the price action just looks so much more clean and you get those moves so much more frequently and there's just so much more volatility for my strategy. Like look at this, bro. I just feel like it complements my strategy a little bit more. I mean, obviously the setups are there on GBP as well, but just not as much movement. The volume, of course, is there, but I don't know, man. Anyways, that's the recap for today. Yeah. See you guys in the next video.